good evening from here in Pokhara. It's around 5:30, and most evenings and here in Pokhara, like, it's locked down right now, like, but most evenings you always see people on the street with massive empty bottles of water, or yeah, just anything that's empty that they can fill it up, and they normally take it to a few of the water fountains located around the main road. Yeah, there's quite a few of them, so every evening, in the morning as well, like, you see a lot of people just going there just collecting some water. And I made a video about it like a few weeks ago, like 3 weeks ago, about it before the lockdown started, and the people was telling me like this is one of the freshest water, spring water. So I'm just gonna go there, collect some water and try it, see how it tastes. I'm not too sure if you're meant to boil it after filling up the buckets and bottles. I'm not too sure if you're meant to boil it, but I will ask someone, and if it's okay to drink just like that, then I'll drink some as well. Then after that, we check out the sunset here in Pokhara. Hopefully it doesn't rain, because it hasn't rained all day today. And in Pokhara here, like, it rains at least once a day, so we'll see what happens though. So let's go collect some water. There's quite a few people at the water fountain I just went past. Yeah, it's like a family gathering there, I imagine, because it takes quite a long time to fill up some of the 19-litre water bottles. So I imagine they just get there and just socialize and gossip and talk about whatever, really. And I can see across the park as well, there's people in there, people playing actually. So I don't know what's going on with this lockdown. Like, there's sometimes like you see people out and about swimming, and some people, they're saying don't go outside, but there's some people outside. So I literally don't know what's going on. But yeah, that's Nepal for you. So I've come up to a filling point on the main road. There's quite a lot of people there here, and I asked one of the locals if I fill it up, can I drink it straight away? And he said it just depends on your system, because they've grown up drinking it just like that. But some people, if your stomach is not used to it, you might need to boil it. So I'm gonna risk it. Plus it's lockdown, so if I get sick, there's no big issue. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna fill up just a little bit here, then after I just drink it just like that, just to see how it tastes, get the authentic taste of it. So let me just wait a couple of minutes for the ladies to finish up filling up the water. Then once it's all filled up, then I will go and collect my portion. There's literally people like walking down the road with a lot of bottles on the, I don't know how to explain it, yeah, but they're carrying it like on their head type of thing, and they're counting how many bottles they have to wait until it's their turn. If it's too much, they just keep on walking. Yeah, it's like a real job in doing this, and some people, they're just literally just sitting down, relaxing, chilling as they wait. I can't imagine doing this like during the winter time when it's quite cold and freezing, and you have to wait here for however long you have to wait here for. But yeah, it's quite interesting. Like, for me, it is interesting. For maybe a local or someone, yeah, who's used to this, is like, this is like everyday life. But for me, just seeing this is just like, wow. I find it fascinating. Yeah, I can't wait to taste the water. I'm just going to wait my turn. When's my turn? Then after, I'll go and fill up just a little bit, not too much. Is heavy? Not heavy. Ah. It's okay? It's okay? How often do you do this a day? Do you do this a lot? How many times a day? Yeah, I guess I don't understand English. But I think they do it like maybe once a day. Hmm? Yes. Okay. I guess now it's my turn to go fill it up. Yeah, just gonna wait for the lady in front of me first. Let her finish filling up. Then after it's gonna be my turn. So pouring the water now. It's literally just gonna be just a little bit, not too much. I think this should be enough. This year. Okay, thank you. Welcome. This is very good. Now that I've got my little bit of fuel in here, I'm gonna go somewhere like near the lake and yeah, try some of the water there and maybe catch a bit of the sunset as well. Not too sure if I'll be able to catch it, but yeah, just gonna go there, try it and see some sunset as well. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you. Okay, thank you so much for that. Have a good day. Like, check this out. Like, I mean, check this out. This is where I'll be trying out this water. The scenery, insane. But yeah, this is just Pokhara. This is just Pokhara. Like, wherever you go around Pokhara, this is the type of views that you'll be getting, especially in the lakeside area. Yeah. So let's quickly try out this water, see how it tastes. It actually tastes good. Like, there's no flavor, there's no, like, I don't know, like, because in the UK, like, if you taste the water back in the UK, especially the tap water, you'd be able to taste some of the how can I say, the chemicals that they put inside the water just to clean it up. But with this one here, like, it doesn't taste like there's any chemicals, anything like that. It just feels completely natural, plain. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna feel tomorrow morning. Maybe it might affect me differently, but for now, as I'm tasting it right now, like, it just tastes completely fine, and plus it's free as well. I can just walk on the main road and just collect water and drink it. That's it. It's a good life here, I suppose. And plus the scenery, can't beat it as well. But yeah, this water, like, it's not too bad. Now I see why there's always a lot of people there, like, each morning and each evening, just going there to collect some water. It's nice. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. It was a little quick short one, just a local living here in Nepal, Pokhara. Yeah, just wanted to showcase how the locals do it, and I'll see you in the next video. So goodbye for me.